Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This hedgehog was born without any quills whatsoever.
Mate, I thought the other one was ugly! Jesus, this looks like a ball sack!
So it's just kind of squishy.
Look at the woman's nails! Aw, I can't make any friends.
These people went diving in Hawaii and managed to find a pregnant great white shark.
Holy fuck. Why are they close to it? Wait a second. Why? Wait. What? Greek pog. Oh my god. Fuck off, chat. Oh my god, look how cute it is. Okay, chat. Not every fat animal is me. Okay? First of all, the shark, Greek. Then the other fat thing, Greek. Now this is the world, Greek. He's a planet. Look, it's Greek. Shut up!
As the speed of light travels around the Earth.
That's the speed of light?
This is how fast light travels to the moon and back.
What?
And this is how long it takes for light to travel all the way to Mars. In case you were wondering, this is how you bottle feed a baby manatee.
Aww.
This is called Polish dragon boat racing, and it's pretty much tug of war, but on a boat.
Alfred.
This dog is really stubborn and will only eat food that has been in the microwave because then it magically becomes human food.
Fuck off. There's no way up. Fucking oi. Japan eats it. Cheeto.
Got him!
These people found a viper slowly dying in an abandoned building and decided to save it.
No. Oh, nice. So thirsty. Cool, it's alive.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.